In this video, I'm going to show you how to do reverse sourcing step by step. And this is the one method that I've used to grow my UK Amazon business to over 3 million in sales and my USA Amazon business to over 1 million in sales. Now, what is reverse sourcing? Well, normal manual sourcing is going to be starting at a supplier website, for example here Amway, and we're going to scroll through their products. And for each product, we're going to basically load up the product, we're going to right mouse click on the title, and we're going to search it on Amazon. Now, what we might find is that we find a product that we like, we're going to load it up, and we're going to see if we put in the buy price of that product, can we make a profit and a good margin on that, an ROI? And this, for example, we can. Now, reverse sourcing is the complete opposite. We're going to load up a product on Amazon. We're going to look here at what our max cost is, which is about $37. We're then going to take the title and we're going to search it into Google, and we're going to load up all of the supplier listings that we can see. And we can see right here, you can now actually find this product on the Amway website for about $37. So therefore, we found a profitable product using reverse sourcing. So now we know what reverse sourcing is. How do we get started? Well, the easiest way I find to get started is actually starting with one deal that you've already found. So for example, we already know this product is a profitable product, maybe found another deal before. Now, the way I like to do this is quite simply load into the product, scroll down, and I like to go into data, and I like to look at all of the offers on the offers tab. And what I'm looking at particularly is I'm going to look at Prime, and I might look at sellers right now, and I'm going to scroll across and look at just their review count. Now, I'm going to be looking at sellers who are just ahead of me. Now, for example, if I've just getting started, I'm probably looking for people who've got more reviews than me, but not more than 100 than me. So, for example, here we can see Deal Carousel LLC has got 24 reviews, and he's just come on the listing. So I might click on him, load up his storefront. Now, I'm merging storefront stalking with reverse sourcing here. But what I'm going to do is click on his storefront. Now, once I've loaded up his storefront, I've got a list of products which I know other sellers are stocking, which I can use a reverse sourcing method on to help me find those products. So for example, here, I'm going to choose one which I know is going to work, but it helps you understand. So I'm going to load up this Stonehenge supplements. Now, once this is loaded up, what I'm going to look at is this max cost right here. So I can see that I need to get this product for about $32 to make it profitable. So what am I going to do? Highlight the text. Don't have to do the whole thing, just part of it. And I'm going to search for that. And so remember, I'm looking for about $32. So let's kind of have a little scroll down and see what's going on. Now, a lot of the time, it's probably going to be the website might actually be the best price. So you can see here, Stonehenge they've got a website. So let's check them out. And I can see right here, if I buy 6 bottles, I can get it for $29, which is absolutely game-changing. So using the reverse sourcing method, I can really easily see or find products very, very quickly. One of the tips that I'm going to recommend for you is whenever you're scrolling through here, hover over the name of the title. Why? Because we're looking at this graph down the bottom. And particularly what we're looking for, and if I hover over the Stonehenge, is we want to really see that that pink line is pretty straight. If the pink line is straight, it means the price has been pretty static. If you're looking at these, you notice they start going down and down and down. So that means it's unlikely you're going to find them. The straight ones are going to be a lot easier to find. And that's what I'm going to be looking for when I'm doing my sourcing. It just makes me an easier place to start when I'm doing my sourcing. So just in here, Joey's Coffee. And now I don't know about this one, but let's try it and see if we can find this product. Now, what I can see here is I need to buy it for $4.42, which I don't think is going to work because I think it's quite a heavy item. So for me, I have quite high shipping costs. But we can have a quick look. So Joey's Coffee Tea Company. Can I see Disney Hocus Pocus? Let's have a quick look. You can pick it up for $12 and it's selling for about $16. So that's not going to work, but you might be able to find somewhere else that they're doing it cheaper, or there could be a discount code. But I don't think this is going to be profitable. Now, one thing I like doing is once you've found one product, you can do that for all the other products on that seller, but then also as well, come back through, go to the offers, data offers tab, and look for other sellers who are also on this profitable product that you're doing, and repeat that same reverse sourcing method for them. So again, I'm going to go Prime, and I'm probably going to scroll across, and I'm going to look for sellers who are above me. So these guys are a little bit better, but obviously this guy's 0. So I'll load up strategic inventory, and I'm going to see what else he's selling. So again, we're just going to be hovering over. See here, I can see this product. It's a very flat graph on that one. So let's go through. So this is saying, wow, that thing's selling super fast. So I'm going to need about $17 on this one. Can we get it for $17? Maybe it's on sale somewhere. So we've got quite a few here. Instacart, for example. Maybe there's a special buy one, get one free, for example. And you might find that they're actually on the website. So we'll check that out. Also, can we see anywhere else? This is going down to $20, so Walmart might be doing it cheap. and I'll check them out. Nope. Buy 2, get 1 free on Super Beats Choose. How much are these going to be? So it's talking about getting these free. So that might work out there. Also as well, what have we got here? Super Beats, they're going for 33, so that's not really going to work. And then here, no. So what you might find is that sometimes you're successful and sometimes you're not.
Right, I just want to take a quick second out to say, do you want to know a secret if you're struggling to find deals and struggling for time? Virtual assistants. They cost $3 per hour and they can source for 40 hours per week, finding you deals and make you massive returns on investment. For example, within my own business, on a bad week, we're spending $5,000 per VA per week, which is game changing. Now, there is a reason why many people are doing this. They are using virtual assistants because it works. Now, if you want a trained VA for your business and you're interested in learning more, check out the FastTrackFBA VA Academy. We've trained over 750 VAs for over 400 clients, which is going to help them grow their business, just like you, saving more time and making more money. Have a look at the link down below, FastTrackFBA VA Academy.
Now, the one thing I do like about reverse sourcing is instead of using the storefront method to start with, you can actually jump straight into the Amazon catalog. You can use, their filters to help find products that are going to meet your criteria, or even Keeper, for example, and then start reverse sourcing from there. So, for example, right now, I've just jumped into beauty on Amazon. And what I might want to do is I might want to obviously turn on Prime. So I want to be, because I'm doing FBA. And then on top of that, I'm probably going to want products which are a bit more expensive. So I like higher value items. So we're going to say $60. And I probably don't want anything over about, say, $150. So I'm just going to be looking at these products. Now, once I've loaded it up, what I might do is just have a quick skim through all of the products. So I can see these are really fast selling lines. So I probably want to skip these because these I'm very unlikely I'm going to get a good deal. Now, I might kind of skip through where I'm getting the sales rank below probably like 500 per month. So you've got some here that you can see, but I can keep going through the pages. Now, the other one I do as well is I hover over, and I've got Keeper installed. And what I can see is that some of them have got Amazon on them. So I can see the orange on the graph there, which shows Amazon, and I don't want to be selling on those, especially not that one at all. But I'm really looking for products whereby there are going to be no Amazon, and then I can then load that product up and try and find a supplier for it. And I really like that method because if I know a brand that I like or a category that I like, then I can just see what other products of that brand meet my criteria, and then I can go and reverse source them really quickly. One of the things I really like about reverse sourcing is if you have a couple of products that you're already selling from one brand, you can actually now start with that brand in mind and then start reverse sourcing from there. So for example, right now I'm on Milwaukee. Now, what you might think about is Milwaukee is a brand that you're currently selling a couple of products of. What other Milwaukee products can you look for which will help you source? So you can jump into Amazon and do this. You can also turn on and type in, Milwaukee, but also set the price. So for example, me, I generally don't like cheap items. I want more expensive ones, but obviously not too expensive. So maybe up to like $320, click go. It's now going to show me a lot of listings. Now, when I start looking at these, what I'm really going to be interested in is anything which is free shipping for Amazon. I really want to turn that on. And it's going to start showing me products. Now, I might want to do a certain category, so it could be light bulbs or building supplies, but I can now start going through all of the Milwaukee products which meet my specific criteria. Now, instead of using Amazon to source for the products that you're looking for, starting there, instead you can use Keeper and get a lot more refined, which is going to help you in reverse sourcing. So Keeper costs about $20 per month, which is going to help you just kind of start off at a much better base. Now, data, you're going to go to Data, Product Finder, and then you want to come down, and I'll show you a couple of settings that I like, which really help make the difference. So number one, what I'm really looking for is sales rank. I don't want it to be over something like 250,000 in the USA, so I'll put that in there. Number two, I want the buy box. Now, I generally don't like low value items, so I'm going to say $15, and I don't want to think too high, so I'm going to say like $200. So I'm going to start filtering that down. Now, what I'm going to do is come down to brand, and I'm going to go Milwaukee. So you can see here, we've got Milwaukee, so I'm click on that, and you can add multiple brands in if you want. Now, as we go through, you can see the number of deals we found is changing here. Now, the final one, depending on how many I've got here, I might do is I generally don't like to sell against Amazon. So I'm just going to have a quick look, which is around here, called Amazon out of stock, and I'll do 90 days. And if I put 1 in there, we're reducing that, and we'll go to 100. Fantastic. So I'll probably change that to like 5. 32, we'll change it down to 3. Much better. Cool. So I've got 79 products which meet my requirements. So I'll click search, and what we can see here is it's just giving me a big list of products. Now I'm just going to hover over them, and I'm going to see what is going on with these so I can kind of get a good idea. And again, some of them are going really fast selling, and I can actually sort them by bought in the past month. What I generally find is the faster the ones, more unlikely you are to reverse source them, but the slower ones are going to be a lot easier to find. So you might find some really good products whereby actually they're easy to reverse source. So you could choose like this padded rig, for example. You can literally go click on that one, load it up into Amazon and say, hey, can we find this product, or should we say from a retailer or somewhere that's going to be cheap enough that we can buy it. So again, we're looking $13, it's $31, so anything around $15 we might be quite useful for. We're going to search, see what we can find. So again, we're looking for about $15. Anything we can find on here, not saying we're guaranteed to do it, but it'd be a good start for you to get going. So it looks here, padded rig, 27. And what we'd do is load up all of these listings and see, can we find products? So it might be like, these guys have a discount code. There'll be other prices here that we can look at. We already know the price we're looking for, but it gives you a good idea starting point. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, I should be further ahead by now? If you're trying to scale your Amazon business, or even if you've just started and you're feeling overwhelmed, you're not alone. Every day, you'll see other people succeeding and you'll wonder, why not me? Maybe you're unhappy, unfulfilled, stuck, bored, or even confused. I get it. I was in the exact same spot for years. I was afraid to fail, but also ashamed of being afraid. Now, it wasn't until I networked with other sellers and I paid a business owner to teach me how to run my business that I really felt like my business was growing. He showed me the ropes and gave me the confidence I needed, and after scaling my business to over £3 million, I repeated the exact same process to over $1 million in the USA. Now, I want to repay that favor and show you the ropes, just like those people helped me on my journey. And as someone with the #1 paid Amazon FBA community on the school platform, Ahmed and I are here to guide you step by step in your journey. Now, imagine if building a business was easy as playing a video game, with step-by-step instructions, live workshops, real-time leaderboards, and new friends to make it fun. If that sounds good to you, let me tell you more about how the Amazon FBA War Room works, how much it costs, and what you need to do to get started. No prior experience is required. Now, the Amazon FBA War Room is a simple and a fun way to build your Amazon reselling business. Whether you have not yet started or you want a step-by-step guide to scaling your business, no matter how small, we can show you how to turn a business from a side hustle into a full-time income. From learning how to source profitable products like the experts to analyzing deals like 7-figure Amazon sellers. All you need to do is show up, follow the step-by-step process, the training and support that is provided to you, and we'll show you exactly how to build and scale your business on your first try. Sound simple? It is. And let me share with you some examples. Mark started at zero, and in just 5 months whilst working with me, he has now sold over $60,000 on his business, and he's broken $22,000 in his last month. Or Saida, who has successfully overcome a Section 3 review by Amazon, saying the support and the guidance from the community got her through. Or even Kahil, who loves our weekly training and live support sessions, saying how he feels like it's sitting with an expert with a friend in a coffee shop. Now here's the best part. 98% of people who join our community continue their subscription. Yes, the value we provide is that good. So by your next reunion, you could be answering, how do you do that? Instead of, what are you up to these days? Now, the Amazon FBA War Room removes all of the obstacles that once stood in the way of starting and scaling your Amazon business. Now, you don't need a big budget or fancy tech skills. Everything is built into the community. And you can even pick what and how you want to sell, whether it be doing online arbitrage or even wholesale. And if you don't know what model to do, don't worry. We're here to help you, and we'll help you choose the best model for your personal situation. And you can network with a number of other sellers who are doing this and supporting you from our community. If you sign up today, you'll follow our process and build your Amazon business around what you love doing. And if you become one of our top contributing members, you'll also get access to free one-to-one coaching from Ahmed and myself. Even if you don't win the first month, you can continue competing every single month until you do and get that coaching. Worst case scenario, you're going to walk away with the knowledge worth thousands. Best case, it could change your life forever. Now remember, the only guarantee is that if you don't take the shot, you're going to stay exactly where you are. But if you do, you could be the next one joining us on a live one-to-one coaching session, celebrating how quickly you've built your Amazon business. So are you in? Click the button to join the community now. We just want you to win. And remember, one last thing, 98% of people who join our community stay beyond their first month. That is because of the value we are providing. You can do this, click the button, and let's get you started. Now, what I will say is if you've liked that video and you want to know how much money a VA can make you, and this is per month in your business while working just 1 hour per day, have a look around here. I'll drop a link to a video that we recorded around the results that you can actually get. Check that out.